Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battle area location on the Mini Militia game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Mini Militia game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. From this page, just tap on the battle option to start any kind of battle. Now, when you end up within your battle menu, this is the screen from which you will be allowed to choose from various different maps. Now, as you keep on increasing your level within the game, this will unlock more and more levels that you can choose when you start your game. So for now, if you choose the random option, then this will randomly shuffle between the various different levels that have been unlocked so far for you. You can also choose the level that you want to play in individually and then tap on the battle button. You will then be linked with various other players from which you can directly start your battle. And there you have it. That is how you can select the level or location for battle within your Mini Militia game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.